So I am out in the garden this morning. So I did get some of my plants planted. On yesterday I planted a sugar snap here. I planted another here. These lemongrass, they're being pulled out because my dogs have butchered those. I planted a sugar snap here, and I have, hope you can hear me still. I have all the Brussels sprouts planted along the backside because some of my seedlings that I had out here, it looks like something has eaten them. So I left the mustards and the collards, even though they're really small. We're going to see how they do. It's an upset squirrel up there. My fava bean was planted, and I planted it along with a couple of the sugar snaps because I had no more space over there. So there that is. We have another egg, guys. Isn't that gorgeous? All right, guys, let's see what's going on with these sweet potatoes. Get my gloves on because you see all that bug damage. I don't know what could be in there that I don't want to touch. I hope they let me be great and I don't have to dig all down in there. All right, I see some tiny ones. But I could still roast these, right? I will take it. Here's another. That's really tiny. I'll put that back in the soil. That's it, guys, and here is my sweet potato harvest.